Ten kanisa makopere pachoka jiwo dongruok mar kanise mondo mi ochwal thieth e gwenge magi yale injili ne jokenya. Jotelo mag Catholic bade ma Eldoret obiro kanyakla mar go arambe mar gero kanisa kendo singo chiwo thieth ne jopiny manok margi yutogi mono giyudo thieth e yo makare. Kotelnegi kod Bishop Dominic Kimengich ne giwacho na geta margi en mar medo gig thieth manyasani mag chiwo thieth ka gigeto maduoko piny dhungruok mantiere ka thieth ma Moi Teaching and Referral e boma ma Eldoret.
The reason why we are fundraising for this hospital is to really equip the hospital so that we have equipment which will be then be there in the hospital, and our focus is to provide affordable treatment to our people, especially the poor people who cannot go to the private hospitals in town because the prices are so expensive. So our idea then is to ensure that we operate a non-profit-making hospital which will help the poor people, help also the clergy, the religious men and women.
It will cater for the poor within the community, especially the less fortunate in the society. So this facility will also help the poor. Thirdly, we want to